Welcome back, guys, to another video. Today we're talking about the first thing a beginner trader should do whenever analyzing the forex market using a price action market approach, and how to stay profitable in the long run trading the forex market. And in this video we're using the Gbpjpy chart for this analysis and practical. But before we get started, if you're new to the channel, please do it to hit the subscribe button for me, and to my returning viewers, shout out to you guys. Let's keep doing what we do, guys. So let's get to it. So whenever analyzing the charts, looking out for trading opportunities, be it the forex market, the synthetic indices market, the crypto market, whichever markets are trading on, whenever analyzing the market, we first start from a higher time frame so you can see the overall market direction. The higher time frame can be the daily time frame, the weekly time frame, the monthly time frame, but preferably I start from the weekly time frame. So let's get to it. So on the weekly time frame on Gbpjpy, there are a couple of things we should identify, or there are a couple of things we should take note of. First is the market trend, the market direction, where the market is headed to. The higher time frame trend is the general trend of the market. Those market moves we see on a lower time frame are just a product of the bigger time frame picture or the bigger time frame direction. So on the weekly time frame, we can see clearly that the market is trading to the downside. We had this market trend. You can see the market was creating lower highs and lower lows, trading to the downside. So we first identify the market structure and spot our levels as well. So we can see the market was creating lower highs and lower lows. Finally, the market started creating higher highs and higher lows. There was change in market structure. There was break of market zones. So we can see at this point the market was trading to the downside, creating lower highs and lower lows. We had a high at this point basically, and a lower high, another lower high followed up, and we had another lower high, and we can see another lower high here as well. Possibly we got another lower high at this zone, and a lower high here as well. So the market was moving serially, lower highs and lower lows. At this point, you're getting you saw a low here, another low, a lower low, another lower low, and serially the market was trending to the downside at this zone on the weekly time frame. So we have spread our weekly time frame structure. So the next is, as you can see at this zone, the market created a low here, another low here. Possibly we had a low here, and the market failed to give us a new low at this zone, like giving us a new low. But instead, the market shifted from this lower high market structure to a higher high. Like we got a high at this point, another high, and a higher high. Basically, there was change of market structure at this zone. So we have identified the market formation. We can see the market moved from this point as well. The market moved from creating lower highs to breaking out of this market structure. There was change in market structure. So after the market created a new high, the market failed to create a new low at this point. We had a low here, a higher low here, and another higher low here. So afterwards, there was change of market structure. The market shifted from this downtrend we are seeing at this zone. Market shifted from this downtrend we are seeing at this zone to an uptrend market. So you can see there was change of market formation, there was change of market structure. Market shifted from this our downtrend market structure market structure on the weekly time frame to an uptrend. After we got this break of structure, this change of market structure at this zone shifted from creating lower highs to creating higher highs. So next is to spot this current market direction. You can see at this zone the market shifted from a downtrend we got at this area to an uptrend basically. So technically everything has been bullish on the weekly time frame at this zone. The market trend changed from a downtrend to an uptrend. So after we have identified our uptrend formation, next is to identify our structures, our levels, our market levels. So you can see this is an important level in the market. You can see how the market bounced off this zone. This level acting as a resistance level. Finally, the market broke above this level, came back to retest its level, automatically changed from a resistance level to a support level. You can see how the market bounced off this level and gave us a move to the upside. The market was trading above this our support level, and finally the market came back to test our level again, as well as testing our trend line, our trend support. So next is to spot another possible level on the weekly time frame, another possible important level. So you can see this level is an important level in the market. Right, the market broke above this level. So what are we to expect after the market has broken above this our market level? So you have to go to the daily time frame to have a view of what the daily time frame market structure looks like. So in the daily time frame, you can clearly see that the market was moving in this downtrend. Remember, the general trend on the weekly time frame is an uptrend. We had this mini downtrend on the daily time frame. Basically, I'm taking you guys step by step on how to approach the market, how to analyze the markets technically using price action market approach. So we got this mini downtrend on the daily time frame. Finally, the market broke out of this mini downtrend. there was a change of market structure. You can see for the market creating lower highs to creating a new high. There was a break of this high. You can see this candlestick week. Markets close this week in particular is higher than this our previous week. So there was a change of market structure, and we got this level broke on this our resistance level at this point. Inside this our downtrend, we had our level of resistance and our level of support as well. So this level was acting as a level of resistance. The market is selling off from this zone, coming back to it to sell off again, doing the same thing here again, and finally you can see the market broke above this level, came back to retest it. Now the market is trading above this our level and out of this our downtrend on the daily time frame. So next is to identify our daily time frame market trend. To identify this market trend on the daily time frame, this current market trend, so we can see the market shifted from a downtrend on the daily time frame to an uptrend, a mini downtrend on the daily time frame to an uptrend. So you can see the market is creating higher highs and higher lows at this point. You can see the market created a new low. You can see the market give us a low here and give us a higher low and possibly another higher low at this point. So what I would expect? I would expect the market to give us a new high at this zone. So you have to move to the forward time frame to take a look at how the forward time frame looks like. So on the forward time frame, you can clearly see that the market is selling off this our daily time frame uptrend trend resistance. Remember, on the trend line, we have a support level and a resistance level. This level basically on the trend line is our resistance level, while this level is our support level. You can see whenever the market gets to this point, it bounces off. The same thing happened at this, and the same thing actually happened at this level. So the market sold off this our trend resistance, and we can see on the forward time frame we also have a mini trend on this our forward time frame. You can see the market had a glitch in network, so I wasn't able to continue the analysis, but we're back at it. This is actually a continuation to the analysis we are having. So as we are seeing on the 4 hour time frame, we have seen the market structure, the market trend that is matching up with the daily time frame that we saw. We are previously saying that on the daily time frame we saw the market give us a breakout of this our zone, like the market was trading in this daily time frame, meaning downtrend. Inside this our overall uptrend on the weekly time frame. So we had a breakout of this level. The market broke out of this level, creating higher highs and higher lows. So currently we are trading in an uptrend. So what's the next market situation? Where is our next buy or sell level in the market? We are going to look at for market opportunity on Gbpjpy. So on the 4 hour time frame, basically we can see that the market sold off this zone, this our trend resistance level, and we have a level as well which is an important level. So at this point we had a supply formation at this zone, so we could possibly see the market push up to this level. Remember, we are still on the sells on this our uptrend. We are still expecting the market to give us a sell to our daily time frame support level, so we could see the market give us a move to test this our bearish order block at this point, a kind of this formation. We could see a buy up to this zone, then a continuation to the downside to go test our daily time frame support zone. This is actually an important level in the market. This is actually a strong zone in the market, so we could see short-term buy opportunities in this zone. We may not see the market give us a straight breakout of this level, like you may not see the market give us a break below this level, like give us a sell-off to this zone, because we have seen how the market has been acting on this level, because we have seen how strong this level has been. You can see this level has been a very strong level in the market, so there are high chances of the market bouncing off this level. So possibly we could expect a move of this kind, like a sell-off from this our order block zone or this our supply level to go test our daily time frame key level to give us this head and shoulders pattern formation that we saw at this zone. So applying our market zones, our market structure, our key levels, and our supply and demand zone, we could be able to take advantage of the market formation on Gbpjpy. But we may as well not see the market give us a move to the upside to go test this our level. You might see a continuation from this zone, like a sell-off from this current market level to the downside. So we're going to the 1 hour time frame to take a look at how the 1 hour time frame structure looks like. But short term, we're looking at for sell opportunities. We're looking at for the market to give us a short-term sell move to go test our daily time frame level. If we can get a push further to this level, then a formation of this kind, completing this reversal pattern formation, because this is a kind of the left shoulder, so you could be seeing the head formation at this point, then a left shoulder formation for a sell off to the downside. So possibly we could be seeing the market sell off from this our zone, because we have seen the market give us a double top formation as well at this point. So there are a couple of formations in the market that is aligning with our sell structure. Even if you're not to get the market give us a move to this level, we could be saying the market give us a move of this kind. So if you can be able to get some rejections at this zone, then possibly we'll be shorting Gbpjpy from this level to the downside to go test our daily time frame support level. So we'll be expecting a move of this kind on Gbpjpy. So if you can be able to apply our fee retracement level as well, so from the highs to the lows, we also have a level 2 which we should consider. We have a supply level at this point, a 1 hour time frame supply level, which is matching up with our 618 retracement zone. So you can see our 618 retracement level at this point. So basically, you might be having lower lot size entries at this zone. Then this is our main zone. Practically, we actually have trade levels for a sell opportunity. We actually have trade sell points. So Gbpjpy will have this level as our sell point. So we'll be having our second sell entry at this point. That's if our first level, that's if market didn't expect our first level, then we're looking at for this level to sell off on Gbpjpy as well. We're having a lower risk entries at this point. We won't be risking much at this zone because we might see the market break this level to go test our bearish order block, as well as stopping out sellers at this point. We're taking a short sell if you can see the market give us a little pullback from this point. If the market can give us a little pullback to this zone, then we'll be shorting Gbpjpy from this level to the downside. So on this our entry at this point, we're risking about 45 pips to get 300 pips. So we can see how big the risk to reward is. So you can see how far the market could go and how much profit we could make if the market is to go our way. So thank you guys for staying through to the end of the video. So if you enjoyed this video, please do it to hit the like button, and to my new viewers, you guys should do it to subscribe, and to my returning viewers, shout out to you guys are the OGs. Let's keep going with you guys, and do have a wonderful day.